Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to farm the ancient civilization core in the Palworld. First, look at the ancient civilization zones within the game map where the cores are most likely to drop. Here, explore ruins or ancient structures to find areas with high resources drop rates. Defeat high-level enemies or bosses in these areas as they drop ancient civilization cores upon defeat. Then, use a high-demand weapon or abilities to efficiently clear enemies and increase your farming speed. Equip any gear that boosts your loot drop rate to improve your chances of getting the core. Now, focus on specific farming spots where these cores drop many frequently than in random locations. After that, farm in the groups with other players to tackle tougher enemies and share the core drops. Gather resources and complete tasks that may reward you with bonus cores as part of the storyline. Lastly, check your inventory regularly to ensure you're gathering the cores and keep an eye out for rare drops. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.